11, Sunny Montalvo. 17, Ginoo, number 1.
Good evening, everyone. Caitlin Pras, 18. Mutya, number 1.
Maya, pabengi kaya kayo man? Ako nga pala'y Justin Castro, 15, Ginoo, number 2.
Maya Pabeni Anunas. This is Angel Nicole Mundong Tongkol, 21. Your Mutya, number 2. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Eugene Gaspar, 18. Your Mutya, number 3.
Good evening, everyone. I am Ryan C. Rivera. I am currently 16 years old, and I am your Ginoo, number 4.
Mabuhay, Barangay Anunas! I am Kirsten Nictao de Leon, 20. Mutya, number 4.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Christian Maravilla, 20, your Ginoo, number 5.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Omara Alvarina, 20. Your Mutya, number 5.
Good evening, everyone. I'm EJ Haranilla, Ginoo, number 6.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Cesarine J.D. Manalo, 17. Your Mutya, number 6.
Good evening, everyone. I am Amber Paul B. Pinada, 16, Ginoo, number 7.
Good evening, everyone. I am Arvin Padilla, 17. Mutya, number 7.
A pleasant evening to everyone. I'm John Vizcabra, 17, Ginoo, number 8.
Good evening, everyone. This is Kathleen J. Guevara, 15. Your Mutya, number 8.
Good evening, everyone. Carl Angelo Antigina, 20, your Ginoo, number 9.
Good evening, everyone. I am Atisha Nicole Labas Miranda, 16. Your Mutya, number 9.
Good evening. Good evening, everyone. My name is Kio Madrid del Rosario, 15, Ginoo, number 10.
Good evening, everyone. This is Stephanie Byers, 18, Mutya, number 10.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, here Mutya, Ginoo, ning Anunas, 2025. support them on the upcoming Coronation night and to officially invite us Coronation Night, may we call on Ginoo number 9 and Mutya number 8. Ladies first, I guess.
Good evening, people of Barangay Anunas! We were inviting you all to watch and experience the Grand Coronation Night of Ginoo and Mutya ning Anunas 2025.
Held on November 24, 2025 at Barangay Anunas, Brook 1, Covered Court.
There you go. Once again, we are inviting to watch our Ginoo and Mutya ning Anunas 2025. That will be tomorrow, November 24, same time, same place. Thank you so much and God bless. Good luck to tomorrow's coronation night. Thank you so much, Ginoo and Mutya. And at this point of time, again, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta sa ating mga events or sa ating Fiesta Week. So this is the second to the last of our event, and tomorrow, the Grand Coronation